Kung familiar ka sa Camp John Hay, ganito ang trail dito. Parang yung red trail doon. This one is well kept inside the forest, only for the courageous, daring, and adventurous to see. But it's here. Ikaw ba yan? Go. Sir Edo. Naka flip-flops. Galing. It's getting dark. May video coverage window